Alright, hi guys. So I went ahead and opened it, unfortunately, without showing you guys that I got some more video equipment. So, real quick, I got a charger for my camera. So that's good. I got one of these little camera slash phone holders. And then I got this for when I'm driving in the car. I want to talk to y'all. And then I got this. No clue really how it works or what I'm going to do with it. So, yeah. So, oh yeah. What's that? I wonder what that is. I don't remember what that is. We should open it. Let's open it.
Let's open this.
We're going to open this. And I'm going to open for you right now. What are these called? The halls. Let's do this. Okay, put it down next to me. Okay.
I holding that?
No, I got it.
I want to it. I opened it. See, mommy. Open.
What? I forgot I got one of those.
Open.
Oh, I'm gonna have to try that out. So y'all, I've been packing all day and cleaning. That's not a new blankie. So I got one of these
Mommy, I'm
thingies
taking no toys.
that like automatically turns and stays still. Super excited about that. So I'm gonna flip y'all around, show y'all what I'm doing. Say hi, Maddie.
Hi.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna try and do a speed clean of my kitchen real quick. So I took my bed frame down. Bed's just on the floor because we have one more night here. And then still working on all that. That's just random stuff that was under the bed and everything else. Got to bag up our clothes, which I'm gonna do that. It's all our blankets and stuff that we are still gonna be working on. The girls' room has not been done yet. Skylar, say hi. So, this was the game room. I carpet cleaned today. So, yeah. It's pretty well done. So now I have a way to hold up my phone. I'm going to try and do a speed clean for y'all. We'll see how it goes. But yeah. So that's everything. We only got a little bit to do. And tomorrow, look at all that. Look at all that. Wow. I like this stand. Holds my phone. So, this washer and dryer here does not go with us. So, we bought from one of our friends a set of washer and dryers over there that we I need to clean when we get to the new house tomorrow. So the plan tomorrow is I'm gonna load up what I can from here and here and back there of the things that I can lift by myself, and I'm gonna get it all in the U-Haul tomorrow. We get the keys tomorrow. We get the yeah, we get everything tomorrow. We get the U-Haul and all that fun stuff. So yeah, I'm super excited. I can't wait. And then I'm gonna go live tomorrow, I think, and I'm gonna show you guys the house and the surprises. Sorry. I'm super excited. We've been waiting for this for a while, so we're finally getting done and finally getting everything taken care of, and it's going to be great to be in our own house without neighbors. We don't have any neighbors right now, but it's still different, you know? It's still not our own because we have to share everything. So I'm going to get off of here. I have a couple more hours in the kitchen that I need to get cleaned, get dishwasher going. It is almost 6:30. Zach's going to pick up our new bed, and he's going to get our new bed and another TV and stuff that his family member is giving us, so that's a plus. Yeah. So I will get everything set up as much as I can to get the speed moving packing going on. So since it is right now, it's 20 well, it's not 20 above, it got to 25 above today outside. So what I'm going to do is when the U-Haul gets here, I'm going to start loading the stuff, and once I start getting cold, I'm going to take a break from that, go in, do some cleaning or carpet cleaning or whatever I can find, come back, load some more, and just keep doing that until about 6 o'clock at night. And hopefully everything that is in the garage that I can lift, I will have on the U-Haul. Yeah. So that's the plan. Yup. Alright. Y'all have a good night. I will get back to you tomorrow. I'm not going to do a speed clean for y'all tonight of the kitchen because I just got to figure out how I'm going to set everything up and all that jazz. So bear with me just a little bit longer. I will go live tomorrow to show y'all the surprises at the new house. And for those of you who do live in Alaska that have watched this, trust me, what I'm showing you tomorrow will be amazing. Say hi. What you doing? What you doing? You gonna tell everyone we're moving?
Yeah. I'll be right back.
I meant you guys, but she meant the family. So, see y'all later.